Welcome back. Well, it's a nice sunny fall day, mid 70s out here. Or is it low 70s? 71. So yeah, the car actually does have an engine. I am doing more than painting. But I wanted to give you guys an update. Some of you were asking how the buffing was coming. So I'll let you be the judge. This has just been cut, actually. This is not buffed. I just went around the back with the cutting compound. It's not entirely done. I still have to get into some of the little smaller areas with the little wheels, like back here. This is not, like in here is not done yet, but that's okay. But I got the main flat surfaces. Yeah, it's hard to see. There we go. A little bit of reflections here and there. You can see, yeah, you know, it's coming along. Not too bad. Just back. There we go. So, so far so good. I haven't burned through the paint. That was my big fear, you know, burning through the paint. So that has not happened. This is the repair area. That's where I repaired a crack. There was a crack right here, repaired it. It's all totally, you know, you'd never know at this point unless it comes back. Keep your fingers crossed. So next up, as I start reassembly, I actually have a question for the community. It has to do with the bumper support and placement and adjustment. So I did end up ordering a replacement bumper. It's down there. It's just from, I think it's from Top Flight or somewhere, or Eckler's. I don't know. I think it was Top Flight. It's American made. It does fit, but I was having a big gap in the front. And the issue, of course, is that the bumpers support this area, right? I'm not going to put it in there, but this goes over here. Bolts in there. You see the pattern. So this bolts in, and this top edge here will bump up against the radiator support. And I find that I ran out of room, basically. I had the radiator support there. I mean, you can't really adjust the position of the radiator support much because it's, you know, it's held into place with these three bolts on each side. And so my question is, for those of you who have done this, can I grind this down a little? There's a little lip here. I don't want to damage this, but I need to get more space this way. And so I'm thinking, you see here, there's a little lip extra on the bottom layer on this, well, it's not really a pinch weld, but it's, what it is a formula for rust. So my question is, what can be done about maybe moving, I mean, I'll try to move this back, but I don't think I can move it back much. And then can I go in here and take a little bit off in here, like say a 1/4 inch? And I mean, I guess I could try to take this down a little, right? A tiny bit. Not gonna hurt anything. But I need to find a way to move this back towards the car a little, to get the bumper to sit up a little tighter against the nose. All right, so if you guys know anything about that, let me know. Otherwise, there's a shot of the engine, which I haven't seen in months. So today I uncovered the car. I'm going to start just clean it up. The job right now is I'm just going to cut the paint, and then as I put it back together, you know, as I get ready to put the doors back on and do things, I will buff it out a little more, and I might even do ceramic coating on some of the areas as I put it together. And then, you know, as it gets all back together, then I'll do final buffing, polishing, put some ceramic coating on this guy. But I'm a little ways away from that right now. Next phase, something I have to do soon, is get the upper windshield support back on the car. I have that. That's going to be a job for sure. And then I can start getting the dash back together, the insulation. I've got vintage air to install. Got a lot of stuff. It's going to be a few more months for sure. But I think I have everything I need. So, you know, now that the painting is pretty much done, hopefully we'll see some progress. And the weather is beautiful. We're going to be in the low to mid 70s all week during the day. So, yay. All right. Thanks for watching. Check back with you guys soon.